Xbox Game Pass just dropped a killer weekend lineup. S.T.A.L.K.E.R 2, Monster Train 2, and more are ready to play. Stick with GadInsider for the best picks. What's good, gaming fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Xbox Game Pass is stacked with epic titles like Oblivion Remastered and Doom: The Dark Ages, but this weekend's lineup is next level. Let's dive into the top 3 Game Pass games you gotta play now. S.T.A.L.K.E.R 2 is now open to all Game Pass subscribers on Xbox Series X and S and PC after a bumpy launch. This survival shooter throws you into the zone for a dark Fallout-like adventure with tough quests and a creepy vibe. It's raw, intense, and perfect for thrill seekers. Monster Train 2 hit Game Pass on day 1 for Xbox Series X and S and PC. This deck-building roguelike keeps the original's addictive core but adds new clans, cards, and brutal dimensional trials. It's a strategic blast for fans of Slay the Spire. Next, Tales of Kenzera Zao, out now on Game Pass, mixes Metroidvania exploration with a gut-punch story. Use mass-based powers and face rivalries in a vibrant world. X calls it a hidden gem for its emotional depth. Ready to play? Fire up your Xbox Game Pass on your console or PC to try S.T.A.L.K.E.R 2, Monster Train 2, or Tales of Kenzera Zao. Whether you're into survival, strategy, or story-driven adventures, there's something for you. Follow GadInsider for more Game Pass tips and updates. And that's your Game Pass weekend lineup. Which game's calling your name? S.T.A.L.K.E.R 2, Monster Train 2, or Zao? Drop it in the comments. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to keep the gaming hype alive.